Alright, so first off, let me tell you guys something, because apparently I didn't have any common sense when I did this. I was cleaning out my fish tank, well, my son's fish tank, washing out the stuff that was in there, like the pirate ship and the SpongeBob SquarePants house. Some of the little gravel rocks ended up down in there. For some strange reason, I decided to turn this on, and now this doesn't work anymore. So word to the wise, do not clean the stuff from your fish tank over this part of your sink. Move all your dishes over here and do it on this side, if you're gonna do it at all. Now I'm going to have to troubleshoot this. So, first things first. As you can see, it still doesn't work right. I've already went to the garage and checked the breaker, and it wasn't tripped. And just for fun, I flipped it on and off a couple times just to verify that it's not the issue. Did that, it's not working. So, most garbage disposals, hold on here, I gotta get a light. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna have to move some stuff out of the way, but most garbage disposals, from what I've read about, have a breaker on the bottom. Well, a breaker somewhere in here. There's usually, from what I read, there's a reset button on the bottom that you gotta press. I gotta figure out where exactly it is. If this one has one, I'm pretty sure it does. Most do, from what I've read. Usually you press that and it should fix your problem. Also, you need to use like if this disposal's jammed up with something, like there's something blocking it. They usually come with like a hex wrench, and you can use that to free up the blades inside that spin. So I'm gonna clear out some of this fun stuff right here, see if I could find where exactly that wrench is to free up the blades, because I'm sure the gravel is still inside, and see if that works by pressing the reset button. Alright, so now that I got everything out of the way, it's somewhat mind-blowing how much stuff you can jam under this damn sink. I'm gonna have to do a little cleaning up here once I hopefully fix this thing. So, as you can see right here, right there where the light is, that's the reset button for the breaker, and it looks like it has been tripped because it's kind of sticking out. Hopefully that's the issue. And then this here, I believe, is where you would put the hex key in to unjam the blades. So first I'm going to unjam the blades, because I know there's probably still some of that fish tank gravel stuck in there. And I'm not trying to burn the motor out, because that can get a little expensive, I hear. So, I still have to find the hex key. Apparently I didn't put it under here, which would have been a smart thing to do. Alright, back again. So, move this light over so you can see. So I'm gonna I finally found this is the hex key or hex wrench that you use for this model. And like I said before, put the wrench in here, just like that. And then you turn it, and as you here, there's a bunch of stuff in there. Let's get it a little bit easier. So I'm going to do that for a little bit. Let's see if I can free it up. And then once that's going a little better, I'll press that reset button and see if that does the trick. So I'll be right back. Bear with me. Okay, so it's moving a lot easier now when I turned it with the hex wrench. I also took up a couple of the gravel rocks out of there. As you can see, it's still not working right. Make sure that is in the off. Yes, sir. Okay, now wait a second. We're going to go ahead and press this red reset button right here. See, now it's in. You heard the click, right? So now I'm going to attempt to press the button and see if there's any difference. Ooh, that does not sound good. There's still some rocks in there, but the good news is the motor's not burnt out, but it will be if I don't get those rocks out of there. Alright, so I think I got all the rocks out of there. So let's try this out. Success. So that's how you fix it. Most of the time, you just gotta reset it. So hopefully that helps you out and saves you some money, because it sure did for me.